record. He hails from Knoxville, Tennessee. That 10,000-pound monster, 66-inch wheels on it. Up first, Bad News travels fast. Brandon. Oh, Randy Smith. Randy Smith, there goes your car. Next side, they're LED lights. The back side of the door. And his children. Represent the ages currently upgraded Darrow's children. He's the driver of Bad News Travels Fast. To the crowd. Ed Eckert in that full bore machine. He started out with truck shows, and someone suggested maybe he built a monster truck. He did in 2003. All right, let Bad News travel fast. Here he goes. Bad News travels. Coliseum known as the Mott House. Let him hear it. Full-bore driver Ed Eckert. Head used trouble class driver Brandon Darrow putting a show on for you tonight.